आज हम लोग बात करने वाले हैं हाइपरटेंशन, एंजाइटी और एक छोटे से लिंक के बारे में। ये एक बहुत ज़रूरी चीज़ है। इफ़ यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस यू शुड बी एबल टू ट्रीट मोस्ट ऑफ द डिसऑर्डर्स दैट यू हैव। इट कुड बी रूमेटाइड आर्थराइटिस, इट कुड बी इन्फ्लेमेशन, it could be any kind of issue that you have, but remember that most of the issues that happen, ऐसा बोला जाता है कि जब आपके शरीर के ऊपर इससे पहले कि कोई चीज विसर्जित हो, before it manifests on your body, it is lying somewhere inside your body. Understand this is true for all of the issues that you have, and for that you need to understand that there is a link which is called the ETH link. Okay, it is called the emotion, thought process and the hormonal response link, which means first there is an emotion, then you create a thought, and then it goes into a loop. There is a past and present vertical that plays a very big part into it, and then of course it starts affecting your hormonal responses. So how does it do that? We will go ahead and talk about it now. Just in case you need a pen and paper, please go ahead and take it down, because I would be talking about a few things that you might have to note, and just in case you don't wish to note, you can watch the video again, right? परफेक्ट, लेट्स गो एंड स्टार्ट द सेशन गाइस। सो आज हम लोग बात करने वाले हैं भाव, विचार और आपकी ग्रंथियों से निकलने वाला हार्मोन है उसके रिसाव के बारे में बात करेंगे। ठीक है, सबसे पहली चीज होती है भाव। ओके, इसका मतलब होता है इमोशन। सो द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट हैपेंस इवन बिफोर यू स्टार्ट हैविंग एंजाइटी और बिफोर यू हैव डिप्रेशन और एनी काइंड ऑफ इश्यूज, आपके दिमाग में कोई भी चीज जो चलती है, गुस्सा आता है, इरिटेशन होता है, एंग्स्ट है, हेट्रेड है, रिजेक्शन का भाव है, एनीथिंग इवन रिलेटेड टू कम्युनिकेशन, इवन बिफोर दैट देयर इज ऑलवेज एन इमोशन। सो देयर इज एन आउटर ट्रिगर, हमेशा एक एक्सटर्नल ट्रिगर होता है जो आपके अंदर के भावों को पैदा करता है। यू कैन नॉट गो एंड कैच दैट एक्सटर्नल ट्रिगर, क्योंकि बाहर की कोई भी चीज को आप पकड़ नहीं सकते। इमोशंस को आप ट्रांसफर कर सकते हैं, उसको ट्रांसफॉर्म कर सकते हैं, उसको अंडरस्टैंड कर सकते हैं। तो प्लीज रिमेंबर दिस वन इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, ये बहुत जरूरी है आपको जानना कि भाव जो होता है उसको आप बदलने की कोशिश मत कीजिए, आप उसका स्वीकार कीजिए, वो अपने आप में बदल जाएगा। ये एक तरीका है बहुत अच्छा। उसके अलावा भी बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जिसके बारे में मैं बात करूंगा। 3 तरीके हैं भावों को बदलने के, सोच को, विचार को बदलने के। वी विल टॉक अबाउट इट। सो फर्स्ट थिंग दैट वी नीड टू टॉक अबाउट इट इज एन इमोशन. It is of course energy in motion, it is electricity in motion. Whatever definitions we want to give, we can give it. However, we need to understand that anything that is an external trigger can go ahead and get associated with a thought that you have inside. So you have a specific kind of a frustration, you are into a craving, आपको आपने बहुत दिनों तक फास्टिंग किया, you fasted for too long, or maybe you're waiting for someone and that person does not turn up. You're waiting for a specific kind of a result. आप wealth के लिए, something that you've invested money on, or you're waiting for some kind of a result, maybe for an interview or something, and you're actually thinking of from the past, that you have a vertical from your past. आप अपने भूतकाल के बारे में सोचते हैं कि there has been a problem that I have never been approved. मेरे साथ normally ऐसा होता है कि मैं fail होता हूँ। ऐसे कई लोग हैं जो सोचते हैं, and they start going ahead and putting it up into future. जब वो past के बारे में सोचते हैं, then there is this whole thing that I have been always a failure, most of the times I've been rejected, and because of that they start thinking about it in the future. आगे के बारे में सोचते हैं, वो ये बोलते हैं कि मैं आगे भी शायद fail ही होऊंगा. Now this kind of a mindset, it did not happen because of the emotion. Emotion was just a trigger. The thoughts that started coming up, that it may be, may not be, and then you start worrying about it, there are chances that it can go ahead and start changing your hormonal reactions. How does that happen? We'll go ahead and explain about that. So you start thinking about it, and then you get into the future. So from the past you come from one vertical to another vertical, which is in future, and you start estimating that you are going to fail. Whenever a person thinks that he's going to have that result pre-assumed in his hand, that's the point of time that your body starts taking a reaction. What exactly is the reaction? The brain starts talking with the bladder and other parts of your body, and it will start asking it to go and secrete a few hormones. Now there are 2 hormones that work with your parasympathetic and sympathetic nerve, which is adrenaline and cortisol. Adrenaline is for activity, so you're actually getting frustrated, you want to meet someone, you're very charged up, you're very pumped up to do something, maybe an interview or something else. All of a sudden your body will go and start giving you that rush of blood. आपके शरीर के अंदर रक्त का संचार बहुत ज़्यादा होने लग जाता है, क्योंकि आपको कोई एक्टिविटी करनी है, and accordingly you will have a lot of changes into your parasympathetic and sympathetic nerve. ये हमारी जो ईडा और पिंगला है, इससे रिलेटेड है ये। तो ये दोनों चीज़ों के अंदर आपको बहुत ज़्यादा हलचल मचनी शुरू हो जाएगी। सेम थिंग कैन गो इनटू अ वरी। तो या तो आप गुस्से में आ सकते हैं, एक्टिविटी में आ सकते हैं, या आप टोटली रेस्टलेस हो सकते हैं, गेट इनटू वरी, आप चिंता में डूब सकते हैं। तब एक दूसरे तरीके का हार्मोन का रिसाव होता है जिसको हम लोग कॉर्टिसोल बोलते हैं। देयर आर अदर हार्मोन्स आल्सो, जैसे कई एंजाइम्स होते हैं जो आपके लिए वो क्लॉट्स भी क्रिएट कर सकते हैं। व्हेन आई से क्लॉट्स, इट आल्सो मींस पीसीओडी, इट मींस फर्टिलिटी इश्यूज, इट मींस डायबिटीज, आपके इंसुलिन है, ग्लूकागॉन है, ग्रोथ हार्मोन है, जीएनआरएच है, कैल्सिटोनिन है, थायराइड है, T3 है, T4 है, लिवर है, बहुत सारी चीजें हैं. So there are so many things that you start affecting by your thought. Understand this very very clearly. You must be knowing a lot many people who eat very healthy. You must be knowing a lot many people who are health freaks. Pura. They will always eat healthy. You will always find them eating salads and this and that. And yet, because of the mindset, they suffer. They all have autoimmune issues. It is because internally, अंदर से उनका जो thought का pattern है, वो नहीं बदल रहा. Understand that if you can just go ahead and catch the triggers, बाहर के जो triggers है emotion, then you can change something which is going inside. अंदर जो भाव हो रहे हैं वो, अंदर जो इमोशंस, अंदर के जो इंटेलिजेंस आपका जो बोल रहा है कि भैया मुझे ये विचार करना चाहिए, यू थिंकिंग अ लॉट, दैट विल स्टार्ट चेंजिंग once you are able to go ahead and catch the trigger which is outside. How do we do that? We will talk about it. And please understand, blood pressure, फिर बहुत सारे respiration के issues हैं, asthma है, IBS है. IBS, one of the main issues for IBS is, of course, you might not believe it, but I have been able to treat more than 6 people in the last 6 months, completely well. और one of them is, of course, आप जानते ही होंगे, उनमें से ऐसे कई लोग हैं जिनको दिन के अंदर 20 बार टॉयलेट जाना पड़ता है. There are so many people who had to go to the toilet for almost 22 times. Now they are back to 1 or 2. So medication was just a little bit. We had to go and give them supplements, and we also had to change their mindset. So yes, mindset is one of the main things, even for constipation related issues, gut related issues. So understand this, the ETH, the link between emotion, thought process, and the hormones. Please understand that so that you can start changing most of your disorders that you have. Now we will go ahead and talk about a specific practice that I have been doing. I will also talk about an exercise. It has been picked up from a lot of places, but before that, let me go ahead and tell you that why do we have to have acceptance. So दोस्तों, एक बहुत अच्छी बात है, त्रस्तमुखी या मस्तमुखी या हस्तमुखी इज इक्वल टू त्रस्तमुखी. ओके, इसका मतलब ये होता है हस्तमुखी त्रस्तमुखी. ये है सच बात. ठीक है, हस्तमुखी या मस्तमुखी त्रस्तमुखी, इसका मतलब ये होता है अगर आप हैप्पी हैं तो आपको बाद में सैड भी होना है. ओके, इसका मतलब होता है सुख और दुख एक ही पलड़े की चीज है, ये चलते ही रहती है. यू कैन नॉट कॉन्स्टेंटली स्टार्ट सेइंग नो टू नेगेटिविटी. There was this whole community that used to say stay positive, and they were actually saying no to negativity. So two no's always become a yes. That is what so many people said. However, I would just say yes to no. Okay, negativity will be there, and you'll have to accept that you are negative, and that's perfectly fine. Okay, unless and until you don't accept something, okay, you would not be able to jump from it. We have been able to completely and successfully treat a lot many people who had depression, who had anxiety, who had been taking a lot of medications. We've been able to change their pattern. Okay, not by fighting with negativity. You cannot do that because you've been, आप उसको बहुत सालों से पाल रहे, you've been feeding it too long. So you should not be fighting it. Okay, and I'm not saying that you start feeding it. No, don't feed it, don't nurture it. You just have to accept it. All right, now let's go ahead and come about the exercises. मैं आपको सारे कुछ exercises बता देता हूँ. One of them is going to be very funny because it is more related to doing. Okay, understand this one thing, that anything that is unknown inside you, आप जो सोचते हैं वो दिखता नहीं है. You cannot see your thoughts, right? Visibly, it's not possible. So anything that is unknown, let it be unknown, but you can change it by doing something which is known. Understand this very very importantly. Hormones दिखते नहीं हैं, कहाँ से निकलते हैं. You don't see the process of the hormone secretion and things like that. Neither can you feel it unless and until you're not at a specific place of higher awareness. So it will not happen unless and until you don't do things which require you to change your anatomy or change the way that you're behaving. आचरण बदलने से आपका ये जो पूरा प्रॉब्लम है बदल जाएगा. So emotions हैं, उसको पकड़िए मत. Every time that you start feeling that you're going in a loop, this is what you do. Take a box, एक बॉक्स ले लीजिए. मान लीजिए ये एक बॉक्स है. ओके, एंड आपने कुछ उसके अंदर चिट्स डाल दी हैं. ओके, so you take a few chits. टेक 5 to 7 चिट्स, आप 5 से 6 चिट ले लीजिए, ओके। उस चिट के ऊपर आप अपने जो भाव हैं वो लिख लीजिए। सो टेक 5 to 7 चिट्स, ओके, एंड ऑन ईच चिट take 5 to 6 different pieces of paper, and on each paper, now this box should not be transparent. एक box ले लीजिए सबसे पहले तो, okay, take a box, it should not be transparent, it could be a paper box, it could be any kind of a box, a glass box, or it should be transparent, you should not be able to see what is inside it. Take 6 or 7 pieces of paper, on in each paper please go ahead and write down what are the things that you need to do whenever you take out that chip, okay. Now सबसे पहली चीज, there are 3 ways to go ahead and change your understand your emotion. What exactly is that? One of them is reassurance. All right, so you come to me and you say, sir मुझे बहुत problem है. That's exactly what normally doctors do. Most of the people who are therapists, who are mentors, what do? They give you some kind of a reassurance that, you know, don't worry, things will be fine. First thing is reassurance. That exactly whatever parents have been doing. So if you have a good parent, the first thing that a parent will do is, yes, they will give you reassurances, very good reassurances, okay. That's what a good friend also will do, reassurance. The second thing is, of course, forgiveness. So anyone whom you cannot change, you will always have anger, you will always have worry against them. So please understand, you need to understand, you need to go and practice forgiving, okay. And that does not mean that you stand at a very big pedestal and आप अपने आप को बहुत महान समझने लग जाते हैं, मैं किसी को माफ कर रहा हूँ. You need to forgive yourself as well as the other person. The third thing, which is one of the most important thing, is acceptance. Accept it. ये आपको स्वीकार भाव रखना ही पड़ेगा, ठीक है. हस्तमुखी त्रस्तमुखी दोनों चीजें साथ में चलती है, दिन रात दोनों साथ में चलते हैं, ओके. खाना और खाने को पेट से पचाकर निकाल देना, ओके, the whole process of digestion. So Surya Chandra, we are into a world of duality. You cannot say no to something. Positivity and negativity, they go together, okay. You need to stay over here so that you can understand what exactly can you balance, okay. So never say no, and acceptance is something that you will have to take care of. Every time that you have such issues, understand it, that this is how life is, okay. उसके पीछे आपको कुछ सोचना नहीं है. There is also one very good proverb, or maybe you can call it a saying, this too shall pass, okay. ये भी निकल जाएगा, ये भी बीत जाएगा. So understand that, and please go ahead and have that kind of an attitude, right? So these are the 3 things how you can go ahead and catch your thoughts and you can transform it. However, there are few more things. So take 5 to 7 pieces of paper and write down all of these things on a piece of paper. So 1, of course, is gratitude. 2, of course, is acceptance. Gratitude, acceptance, forgiving, assurances, okay. And a few more things: love, happiness, laughter, dance, singing, and a joke, okay. So write these things down on a piece of paper, fold it and put it into the box. Every time that you find yourself going into a very different mood, it is almost like, you know, picking up a tarot card, right? जब आप कोई भी चीज ऐसी करते हैं जो आपने प्लान नहीं की थी, anything that you do without any plan, it surprises you and it takes you out from one place to another. अब आपको ये चीज ध्यान में रखनी पड़ेगी. You'll have to please remember this very small thing, and this is very important for everyone to understand that. मान लीजिए आप किसी के बारे में सोच रहे थे, you're thinking about your boyfriend, your girlfriend, anyone, okay, or maybe someone who's taken money from you, maybe a person who's taken debt from you, anyone, okay. And supposing you आप बहुत ज़्यादा गहरे उनके बारे में सोचें, you worried about them, and all of a sudden there is some kind of a calamity. So आपको पता चलता है आपके घर में आग लग गई है, okay, और आपकी जो चेयर है, it's got electrocuted, maybe you have a shock, or your chair is catching fire, or you're just walking on the road and all of a sudden you see a cobra. You can imagine it, right? You can imagine it. What are you going to do? Are you going to go ahead and, you know, keep on looking at your phone, or are you going to, you know, run away from the cobra or whatever you've seen, a lion or tiger? So that's exactly what I'm trying to say. You can shift from one emotion, one thought, just in case you go and do something which requires action. So आपको समझना पड़ेगा, आपको कोई कार्य करना पड़ेगा, ऐसा कोई कार्य जो आपको उस स्पेसिफिक परिस्थिति में से निकालकर एक दूसरी परिस्थिति में डाल देता है. Then you can go and pick up any kind of shit. यही हम लोग करेंगे. Whenever you find yourself in some kind of a hypertensive state, बहुत ज़्यादा blood pressure बढ़ गया है, या आपको ऐसा लगता है बहुत ज़्यादा सोच रहे हैं, you're into a different thought process and you don't know what to do, just go and pick up one small chit from that box. आप वो box में से एक छोटी chit निकालिए. उस chit में लिखा है अगर gratitude, तो gratitude करेंगे हम लोग, ठीक है. This is just to go and give you a shift from that specific emotion. अब वो चिट आप निकाल कर बाहर रख देंगे, जो पेपर है वो निकाल कर आप बाहर रख देंगे, ओके. एंड यू नीड टू डू इट. ऐसा माना जाता है कि दिन में 3 से 5 बार हमारा जो मूड है वो स्विंग होता है. प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड इट. that it is said, and psychology says that in a day, almost in 14 to 16 hours, you will have a lot of shifts in your mood swings. आपको 5 से 6 बार ऐसा मूड आपका ऊपर नीचे होता है, तो 5 से 6 चिट डालकर रख लीजिए, एक चिट निकालिए, अगर उसमें लिखा है डांस करना है तो बिना कुछ सोचे समझे वो चिट रखनी है और डांस करना शुरू कर देना है. If you find a chit which says sing, please go ahead and sing one of your favorite songs or any kind of song, but it is necessary that you start singing a song. Remember that each activity should not be less than 1 minute, because if it is less than 1 minute, you will once again fall into the same thought trap. Okay, now this can be recurring. पहले कुछ दिनों के अंदर आपको ये ज़्यादा करना पड़ेगा. You might have to do it more frequently. उसके बाद ये बिल्कुल ठीक हो जाएगा. ठीक है. There is another activity that I have been telling my clients to do, and it works perfectly well. I have even shown it to my audience on Goki, where I'm a life coach. Okay, so you can do these things, and it's pretty hard to go and balance it. But later on, and do it with a lot of don't do it as if you're going to practice it. No, don't do that with the practice. Just go ahead and do it, because it makes you change your emotions, right? So this is how you do it. All right, and keep smiling. And then every time you need to remember that your eyes need to be open. Your eyes need to be open, one side, right? One ear, one eyes. Okay, then you shift it right over here. Because I'm doing it slowly, it's happening perfectly well. Okay, but then again, I missed it. Let's start it. See, I missed it. Okay, so this is also what you can do, right? Okay. All right, so try doing it. I know, I might see a bit, I might look a little bit funny, but please try doing that. And then there is प्राणायाम आप कर सकते हैं. प्राणायाम से भी आपके जो हॉर्मोन्स का रिसाव होता है वो चेंज होता है. अनुलोम विलोम है, और उज्जाई है, भ्रामरी है. ये आपको 10 मिनट सुबह और 10 मिनट शाम को करना होता है. मेरे सारे क्लाइंट्स करते हैं. आई मेक ऑल माई क्लाइंट्स डू प्राणायाम्स. एंड योगा, ऑफ कोर्स यू कैन डू सम, एटलीस्ट सम काइंड ऑफ योगा. शलभ आसन है, वो बहुत अच्छा है. धनुरासन बहुत ही अच्छा है. Just in case you are beyond a specific point where you cannot turn or twist your body, or maybe you cannot pull and push, in that case, please go ahead and do all the yoga asanas which require you to sleep. So any kind of shavasana or yoga nidra or kayotsarg या प्रतिक्रमण, ऐसी कोई चीज आप कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. आखिरी चीज है दोस्तों, डाइट. एंड आफ्टर दैट आई विल गिव यू वन महा मंत्र which is something that helps you with every specific issue, right? Trust me, yes, it helps. So diet, yes, I have spoken about this. Start eating local fresh food. Greens हैं, sprouts हैं, beans हैं, ये सारी चीज़ें बहुत अच्छी होती हैं. Pulses हैं, grains हैं, fruits हैं. बहुत ज़्यादा fruits नहीं खाने, just a little bit. Okay. Now, who all will actually fail over here? There are a few people who will still fail. There are a few people, there is whole community, there is this whole group, there is whole community of people who start feeling that they have got great intuition. Okay, they don't even have good quality of imagination. And trust me, I can prove it. Why? Because I ask people, how exactly is your imagination? They say, I've got great imagination, I can create a story. And I actually tell them to go and do something, they're not able to do it. I tell them that these are the 4 things, please go and do it. They are not able to do it at all. So yes, you're not even at a point where you can imagine, right? And because people think a lot negative, okay, and they're always in a doubtful mode, they start thinking, हाँ मैंने जो सोचा था वो हो गया. Okay, it is something that you've been always thinking, and that's not intuition. Intuition is a completely different thing. Who will fail? People who already are thinking that their imagination, their negative imagination is what they call is intuition. Intuition is something completely different. So the first thing that is for everyone over here is that stop imagining things. Stop imagining things. This is something that you need to write very very clearly. Maybe wherever you are, if you're doing affirmations, आप करते हैं सकारात्मक विचार, अगर आप पढ़ते हैं करते हैं, आप अपने शीशे पर लिख सकते हैं. आप कहीं पर भी लिख दीजिए अच्छी तरह से कि कल्पना करना बंद कर दीजिए. I'm not saying that you stop imagining about positive things. Stop imagining about negative things. Okay, stop imagining. As soon as you see that there is no reality in it, just stop it right there and then. ऐसी कोई भी चीज जो आपको नकारात्मक विचारों में फेंक देती है, उसको उसी वक्त बंद कर देना है. ऐसा कुछ नहीं सोचना है कि मेरी बहुत बड़ी इंद्रियां बहुत अच्छी, मेरी छठी इंद्री बहुत जबरदस्त है, and I've got great intuition. Please stop over there. 10 out of 10 women who come to me and they are to be treated for issues, the first thing that we do is we tell them to go and stop imagining. Okay, आप अगर कोई मेडिटेशन भी कर रहे हैं, if you're doing any kind of meditation that is putting you up into this constant loop, stop those meditations. Meditations are not for everyone. Okay, first of all, meditation itself is a very crude kind of a term. कई लोगों ने उसको तोड़ मरोड़ कर क्या क्या कर दिया है. Meditation is not the exact word because people had to give therapy. That is why they created meditation and they created therapies and they called it meditation. So there are too many therapies which are called meditation. Meditation is at a different level. Mindfulness is also not meditation. It is all about mind. It is also being aware. That's perfectly fine. I've got nothing wrong about it. But meditation is a different term. So in case you are at a place where you've been thinking मैं तो कई सालों से meditation कर रहा हूँ और मैं फिर भी, it is because you need to change something else and not your meditation. बंद कर दीजिए meditation. First go ahead and change your behavior. Okay, start going into these things. Multitasking is something that everyone needs to stop. Multitasking बंद हो जानी चाहिए. Everyone who is into hypertension, anxiety, most of the issues, they are all people who do multitasking. So these are the things that you all need to stop. And here's the Maha Mantra just in case you want to relax yourself. So first go ahead and create a humming pattern. So there are 3 different types of humming pattern. One is of course at the top of your voice. It's the highest pitch. The one is in the medium pitch, which is the way that I'm talking now, and the final pitch is when you're actually murmuring. Okay, so humming is so you need to do it 10 times at least. All 3 pitches 10 times. So you start with the highest pitch. Okay, it is like deep, rapid, and as slow as you can. Then the medium pitch. You need to feel the frequency right into your brain. And then the final pitch is it's at the lowest tone, lowest pitch, right? बहुत जो सबसे धीमी आवाज हो सकती है उसके अंदर. I'll do it right from the top to bottom. You do this 10 times, okay, before sleeping and after you wake up. You come out of any kind of emotions. You also go ahead and balance your pituitary. Your pituitary is the master gland that talks with your thyroid, with your thymus, your adrenals, your most of the glands that you have. Okay, so prostate भी, ये बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जो आपको ध्यान में रखनी पड़ेंगी. These are the things that you need to remember. Humming, I've spoken about. Diet, pranayam, I've spoken about all the 10 things that you need to do. I've spoken about the exercise. And this is how you go ahead and do it. Fine, guys. I knew that this session is going to be a longer one, but trust me, you do these things, and trust me, there are so many people who've come back and told me, sir, I have been able to go ahead and completely cure my acne, completely cure my gut related issues, completely cure my IBS. I was able to go ahead and do a great successful presentation before people. I did not fear anyone because I was at the top of my confidence levels. Okay, please understand, it's got more to do with you rather than someone else. Okay, दुनिया की जितनी भी बड़ी बड़ी जंग हैं वो यहाँ पर जीती जाती हैं, ध्यान में रख लीजिएगा. All the biggest wars in the world are first won over here in this part. Okay, and please, in case you're someone who thinks everything needs to be done by the heart only feels, it does not think. Okay, so think by your heart, no, think by your brain, feel by your heart, right? We'll do a different session on that, on the heart and head connection, as well as the brain and bladder connection, right? So दोस्तों बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, thank you. And just in case you loved it, please go ahead and put up your comments. In case you have questions, please go ahead and put up the comments. In case you have got something negative to say, I surely go ahead and look at all the comments that you put in. I also reply to all of the comments, even if it is after 2 months, 3 months, whatever. We will go ahead and take care of them. And if you like, if you really have loved the session, okay, please go ahead and don't hesitate to go ahead and click on the like button and subscribe to the session. So subscribe to my channel so that You get all the alerts, you get all the notifications of all such good videos that I put in later on. Okay, I'll be putting up at least 2 to 3 videos every single week, and just in case you tell me that there is something which is requested, I will surely go and do that too. Right? टेक केयर गाइस, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आप लोगों का. कुछ ऐसा है जो आपको नहीं समझ में आया, कमेंट में डाल दीजिए. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. थैंक यू.